What I like about the Manish Malhotra 4-in-1 palettes are that they're very creamy and that they're powder free and talc free. Two of them have that foiled shadow, which I really love, but that is more for a very strong look and for a very strong statement. So the other palettes of Manish Malhotra are a little bit more subtle. They still have the shimmer and the metallics, but they're not as loud as the ones with the foil, obviously. The third look of Aisha, I would say, is like a day look transforming into a night look. It's in between. On Aisha eyes, I used a little bit of iridescent purple and metallic champagne in the inner corners. The correct way to apply eyeshadows is definitely from lighter to dark. You apply it on the high points, the brow bone, the eyelid. So you use the lighter shades on the high points, on the brow bone, on the eyelid, and then you move on to the darker one and shade them in. This will get you a beautiful blended effect. I wet the brush and I applied it to get a little bit more of a stronger effect on the eyelid. The color popped a little bit more, but still in a subtle way. So from the inner corner I used the metallic champagne and I worked it actually like an eyeliner outwards and I stamped it on. It's not a brush, it's not a stroke, it's stamping it on because it intensifies the pigment. So on the lower lash line, on the inner corner, I went with the metallic champagne a little bit broader to create that effect of a drop, and I actually went with a shadow beneath it. So to get a little bit more of a wider eye. And I used the matte rose taupe from the outer corner of the eye to the inner corner and below the highlighted point of the metallic champagne, just to make it a little bit more pop and to open and widen the eye.